Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to hold an HTML course. It is a very basic course in which we learn about how HTML code do, what it does, how we can create a basic HTML website. So all these things will be learned in that language, that video. So I'm going to do. First of all, you just need to install and download Visual Studio. I have it, and I'm going to click it on, and we have that. First thing, you just have to click on File, New, and Website, and you must have to ensure that you have clicked on Visual Studio, because if you just click on Visual Basic, you are not going to get this particular HTML website. It is another thing. You just make sure that you have clicked on Visual C# and click on ASP.NET empty website. You can just browse and change the location where you're going to save the files, and I'm going to click OK. It will create an empty website of ASP.NET for us. You can get it on Solution Explorer right here. It will take some time, depend upon your computer speed. So we have it. I'm going to click it. Mine one is too lazy. Okay, so we have in Solution Explorer. Right click on it and click Add New Item. Add New item. This one. Click on it. It will ask you which type of empty website you are going to create. Select HTML page. I'm going to click on Add. It will create an HTML page. Sorry for an. Guys, this is my first video, so please sorry for anything what I've done. Okay, so keep in mind these are the things which are created by default. So this is what we call a body tag, say, in which you are going to add what you are whatever you would like code. It should be inside the body tag. We have the head, in which we have title tag. This is what we call tags. Let me tell you, this is tag. This is all tags. The first one is dot tag, that just skip it. We have HTML tag. Inside it we have a head tag and a title tag. We are going to talk about these all tags. First of all, I just want to run and that particular application, so I'm just clicking on Google Chrome. You can just change it on here. So we have it. It is an empty website. You can see there's nothing said to show. We have localhost HTML page.html. So let's code in it. First thing that I can just click on. If I just whatever I type inside it, it should be the name of my website. Let's say my first web page, and stop it, and again click on Google Chrome. So we have it. You can see here, this is it. I write it, and we have it in this title. You can just change it by clicking or changing it there. tag name. The first thing I want you to learn is basic. This is what you call heading tag. We have heading 1. It has size bigger. Let's write in it. Let's say first head size. Let's skip. So we have right here first heading. You can see it. There's another tag which has name H2, having a small size comparatively with the H1. So we have in this way we have the third one. And in that particular way we have the last one, might be 4 something 6. Yeah, the last one is 6. The first heading is kind of like that, and the second one is this, and the last one is which is H6. Okay, let's just close it. So I'll think that this is okay for me. The second thing is table. We have table save so that we can add things in it. In table we have to, if I just click on table and create a tag of a table, we don't have anything. You can see there's nothing to show because we have to add things in it. There's 2 tags say inside table. The first one is table raw, and inside table raw there's columns, which there's a data which is called table data. Let's say first column. This is second column, and that is third column. And in that particular view I'll just click copying it and pasting it. Let's say first row, first column, and copying it. Second row, first row, second column. You know that the row is horizontal row and vertical columns. Columns are vertical. First row, first column. So if I just wanted to check it, I can see. So we have we have first row, and first column. These are basically the basic things, and the third one is, which I want you to check, is image tag. This is it. We have an attribute called source, in which we have to give the address of the image. This is it. I like to download it from the internet. Let's say images. Let's pick this one. what are you going to do? Just first of all stop the thing and copy it and put it in this inside. So and just write the name of it. We have download.jpg. Download.jpg. If I run it, you will go into the image. Here we have it. We have the clean image. This is the first image. You can add multiple things, like we have an input tag. This is the most widely used tags we have. This is you are asking that you might ask that what is we might have this. Why I didn't write it? This is called self tag. This is self tag. It is single tag and it closes by its own. So that's why we have it. So we just have to give an attribute like text. I'll say the another attribute is submit. It is a button. We have it. We have another thing, let's say checkbox, and we have radio button, radio, and the fourth one is, let's say, range. So in the web page we have a text box, a button, say which, and this is called submit button. This is a radio button. Sorry, this is text box. This is a radio button, and this is range. So this is basically the first HTML course. And if you like the video, please like it, subscribe to my channel, and for more videos click on the bell icon. Bye.